How to fix Netflix something went wrong error. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, switch between networks. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Next, give a fresh restart to your device. For that, scroll down, navigate to the option of General, scroll down, click on Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. After you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then again turn it back. Next, update the app to its latest version. For that, close this, launch your App Store, search for the app Netflix. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, check the server status of the Netflix. For that, launch your preferred browser, head over to the website Down Detector, type in the app name Netflix, and then search for it. If there is any server outage, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. Next up, update your phone to its latest version. For that, launch your settings, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of Software Update. If any updates are available for your device, update it to its latest version. If none of these solutions work, what you can do is contact Netflix support. For that, launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in Netflix Help Center and then search for it. Click on the very first one website, help.netflix.com. Now from here you can discuss about the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the something went wrong error on Netflix and get back to watching your favorite shows. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.